Welcome back, friends. We are back at Six Flags Over Texas. This is going to be a quick video. We will give an update on the Dino Off-Road Adventure ride. We will also run into one of our favorite YouTubers, Savage Mister. So go ahead and head to his channel and subscribe. We will also be part of a train robbery. I don't know. Hit that subscribe and that like button and tune in after this intro.
It's the Robinsons. Come on and let the party begin. Oh, it's the Robinsons. The fun and games never end. Oh, it's the Robinsons. Inviting all of my friends. Oh, it's the Robinsons. It's the Robinsons. So come on in.
Come in, let the party begin. Can't wait to have fun, can't wait to see our friends. We bake, we pray, we charge every rate. Hit like and subscribe, trying fun every day.
It's the Robinsons.
Jordan and Fabian on a log ride, so
This ride is closed because they're going to do a new Dino Rock.
I know you can see some of the little dinosaurs they have. I think it'd be pretty cool. See a raptor right there. Let me zoom in for you guys. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Oh, it's it. I didn't see that one last time. I just saw this one right here. Jordan, what's that dino called? This one right here, the green.
Okay, I know about every animal, but I don't know nothing.
You know every animal, but not the dinos.
I just know the T-Rex.
You said what?
I just know the T-Rex. They should get safari, like,
I know, Safari Jeep, like, oh, they got his tail on. Last time his tail wasn't on. I have to go hit that speed lunker. Jordan, you just got the log ride. How wet did you get? Let's see.
It wasn't that bad, but I got more wet than last time I went on it.
I know. Did you get wet, Dad?
Yeah. We got a line just in time.
I know, because it's starting to get a little crowded. It's Memorial Day weekend, guys,
And
so.
hopefully our beignets are open.
Yeah, I doubt that, but we'll go over there and see. We switched it up. We got the kids in the front. Turn around and say what's up.
We'll take the next prodigy crafted by Davy Jones himself.
Ain't no little mermaid scene. That's our Beyonce to show him. She don't scream.
The queen.
I know, the queen of the Sri Lanka land.
They get drunk over here.
Did y'all enjoy the Sri Lanka ride?
Yeah!
Woo woo! Jada today. Alright, let's see where they are. I don't see them yet, y'all. Oh, there they go. Pro tip, y'all, ice cream spot has a freestyle machine so you can get your flavors, any flavors of your Gatorade, orange, cherry, lime. Get your flavors. They have your fruit punch, cherry, orange, grape, strawberry. There's some of the ones that's grayed out, there's ones that's not available. I know. He like the middle one. And the surcharge went up to $1.30. It used to be 99 cents. show Friday, Saturday, Sundays. Hey! 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Train robbery at Johnson Creek Station, 2:30 and 5:30. Okay. We have some walking around. Alright, we're getting on my favorite ride.
I got this here. Keep this here. This here. Down anybody trying to get this here? I'm not here. I'm not taking this.
He's up there! Just give him away. Oh, give him 5, George.
Not gonna shoot. Oh, thank goodness. Because I want you to run back that little one-horse town of yours and tell that marshal that I'm gonna be visiting him real soon.
Okay.
Hold it! Give me the payroll bag first.
Oh no, the marshal wouldn't like that.
Alright, y'all, it's hot. It was a hot day today at Six Flags. We are done for the Dino Off-Road Adventure. Thank you guys for coming through.
Hanging with the Robinson crew.